Bonnie. Happy Saturday. Oh my gosh, check it out. I'm going to do my hair on camera with my Chi Lava curler, which right now on Avon is on sale for $133.99. Plus, Avon is doing a really good sale. 20% off site-wide with the code 20box. I'll put the code below on orders of 60 plus. So you guys know my Avon hair care routine has been really, really helpful throughout the years. So I'm just going to kind of brush out my hair. I've had it up in a ponytail all day, but I'm not having any curl in it right now. So I love this thing. I've had this one for a couple of years now. So this is what the Chi Lava looks like. I've got it set to 410, and it's a little bit tricky to get to use. So I'm also an Avon ambassador. So all of the products here that I'm talking about, if you click the link below, you can order from my website. So little buttons here that rotates the barrel. So this is not as scary as it looks. So I'm just going to grab some hair here, and it says this side towards head. So you just have to make sure this side's towards your head, and you can't grab too much hair, because if you grab too much hair, it's not going to work. But check it out. See how it spins a little bit there? Now, I wasn't paying attention and I got it caught a little bit. Now what's going to happen is it's going to beep, okay? And I don't always wait for the beep, but you can wait for the beep. And then I didn't wait for the beep, but look at that. There's the beep. There is my curl. Okay, I'm going to do it again. I grabbed a little bit too much hair that time. It's a little bit hard to do it on camera because I'm trying to turn so you can see the rotation. Okay, there we go. I got it going here. You're going to wait for the beep. I love this thing. This, to me, is one of my favorite hair care tools ever. I'm going to beep in a second. There it goes. Okay, now watch. Look at this curl. It is absolutely beautiful. And it really does, look at that. Look at that. It does smooth out my hair, because my hair can get like kind of fuzzy. So I usually just, keep going down here. I don't always wait for the beep. I'll have to say, sometimes I just kind of wait a few seconds. Whatever I feel like. There we go. If you wait a little bit longer, it curls a little bit more. My hair, the problem with my hair is I could literally probably sit here for an hour curling the entire back of my head. And I've done that before. Sometimes when I do videos, though, I'll only curl the front just because my hair is so long and thick, and it takes a while to get my hair completely done. But what's nice is you can either curl forward or you can curl backwards. So look at that. This is why I love this machine. Look at the difference. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to go to the other side. And like I said, I've got a monitor in front of me, but it's backwards. So that's why I'm like struggling just a little bit on camera here. So this one, see, I'm going backwards. Gonna sit here and wait for this thing to curl. I love this. And don't be afraid of it. Like if your hair gets tangled in here, I usually just like pull it out. I mean, my hair is pretty long. I have gotten it tangled just if I'm not paying attention, and it's pretty easy. Look at this. Look at this beautiful curl. I love this. Okay, so put this back here and then keep going. The key is not to put too much hair in, because if you put too much hair in, then you're gonna have a problem. This is so much easier for me than my regular curling iron, and I never burn myself because the iron is like inside the tube, which is nice because I'll be like not paying attention. There we go. But it's like super easy just to pick the hair up, put it in the barrel like that. You can see like right here is my hair inside there, and then it just, look at that. Look at that. So I'm definitely feeling a lot more put together now that I've curled my hair. What a difference a couple of curls make. That's it. Like, seriously, now the back is still a little bit fuzzy. I mean, I could, like I said, sit here for for a while and do a couple more curls. Sometimes I'll do one on top and just let it hang down a little bit. But oh my gosh, I love this thing. I'll put the link below so that you can get directly to there if you're interested. But look at that. Look at that. So, yeah. Okay, I'm just going to unplug this. Super easy to use. So, my other favorite products that I use with my hair curler is my Avon Elastine for Polythera shampoo and conditioner set. I love this stuff. So I noticed Avon has got, I don't know if this is for ambassadors or for everyone because I'm logged in, but there's an exclusive for Polythera damage repair bundle. I think this is the one I just bought. $20.39. You get the shampoo, conditioner, and then I think this is going to be, yeah, this is the hair oil serum, which we're going to talk about in a minute. But oh my gosh. So this shampoo conditioner is super thick. Like you're going to see when I pour it out here. Look at this. Super thick. And it really, really does a good job on my hair. It does have a floral scent though. So that was something I had to get used to because I was like, ooh, really floral. Now I actually love the scent. It's just something I associate with my hair looking good. So it actually has, it's sulfite free by the way. It has honey, royal jelly, and propolis in it. And you get this cool pump. So usually what I do is when I, get a new one, I'll just like switch it pump to pump. Now, oh yeah, we have the hair serum. Oh, this stuff is amazing. So I have another pump here with the hair serum. And I'm going to pull this out. Honestly, like I feel like my hair got a lot like thicker and healthier with using these products. I use them probably about 5 times a week, and then I mix some other stuff into my routine only because I like different scents sometimes. And I feel like, like sometimes I'll even use other Avon products like the rosemary mint. I go back and forth a lot on my, just to mix it up. I wash my hair every day, which a lot of people are going to say, you shouldn't wash your hair every day. I do. It drives me crazy if I don't. So here is the hair oil. Now, watch this. I'm going to put a little bit on my hand. Not a lot. Now, if your hair is super thin or straight, you might use a little bit less of this. I use a lot because my hair is pretty big. But what I usually do is I just run this through my hair and it doesn't look oily. Look at that. It just looks really shiny and well conditioned. And I gotta say, this hair oil has been one of my favorite products ever. I always use this. I feel like it just gives my hair a lot of life. And it doesn't weigh it down, which I love. So, Elastine products, love, love, love everything. There's a lot of products in their collection. Check it out. But yeah, that is my Avon hair care routine. I'm feeling more put together now than I was about 9 minutes ago when I started the video. Anyway, don't forget about the 20% off. It goes until New Year's Eve, December 31st. I am an Avon ambassador. Use the link below to shop my store. Lots of deals going on. They have a flash sale. Just all kinds of new stuff. Anyway, I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.